kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to prepare raita, which complements many types of biryanis, and you just can have with many of the dishes. So let's get started. Okay, ingredients required to prepare raita are 1 onion, 1 tomato, cucumber, 2 cucumber, 1 carrot, some coriander, green chilies, 1 green chili, and thick curd, 1 bowl of thick curd. Salt as per the taste. Okay, now I have taken a bowl to mix the ingredients. First I am going to put onions, one green chili. So I have chopped all of these ingredients very finely. Now I'll add some coriander to it. A bowl of curd. After this, let's add some salt. Salt as per the taste. Now let's mix this. You can also add few pomegranate into this if you like a little sweet taste in your raita. Let's mix this. And the raita is ready. So friends, thank you for watching the raita recipe. Please do like, share and subscribe my videos. Keep watching. Thank you.